if we look at climate change, I think there are different other aspects of climate change which we have to think before you can address the actual problem. So one of the things what we say is that how do you take the people who are economically poor as part of the solution making, right? One part of the problem is like we are kind of running out of resources, natural resources as we say, and the other part of the problem is that there are a huge number of people who don't have access to resource. So how do you balance it? So in Selco we talk about climate change from the perspective of the poor people, right? And that means that we have to talk about solutions for the poor people, we have to talk about bank linkage, we have to talk about optimum technology, we have to talk about right processes, we have to talk about skill building, so everything else. So when everything falls in place, then only climate change can be mitigated. So it's not about coal can be replaced by solar and that will solve the climate change problem. So unless we have the right solution, we will not be able to address the climate change problem. So now here is a solution like hydroponics, where the problem genesis of the problem comes from the point of view is there is lack of water and lack of space, right? So how do you still kind of solve that kind of problem from the point of view of fodder, and then we are talking about a single household who will own couple of cows or a couple of buffaloes, and how do you arrange for the fodder for that?
एक घर में रखे तो आप लोग को 5 गाय के लिए चारा बना सकते हैं। चारा कैसा बना सकते हैं? बिना मिट्टी की, बिना मिट्टी, बिना कुछ भी, आप गोबर विबर कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली पानी में ऐसा बनता है। तो ये छोटा सा स्प्रिंकलर जो लगाया हम लोग ने, सो इससे हम लोग घंटा में एक बार इतना सेकेंड पानी आना है करके हम लोग सेट करता है। तो हमारे पास ओन टाइमर है और छोटा सा पंप है।
Now here is a solution which addresses the problem of space, problem of water, and still economical, and that's very critical in climate change mitigation also. We should be talking about something which makes a business sense at some point in time, and then it can be scalable at a large to a large number, right? And that's where we come from. So we understand the need of the community and then design the solution for that.
सुबह 7 बजे से शाम 7 बजे तक हम लोग को पावर चाहिए। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बराबर नहीं रहता था, तो 1 घंटा रहता था, 2 घंटा नहीं रहता था, तो शाम को आके देखते सब सूख जाते। दाना सूखने से क्या होता है? उगता नहीं है, उगता नहीं तो लॉस है।
So it has to be a partnership with people who are at the ground and who are actually dealing with it on a day-to-day basis. And any solution will only work if it works out from an economic point of view.
सोलर लगाने के बाद हम लोग को ऐसा है कि करंट कब जाता है कब आता है हम लोग को पता नहीं लग रहा है। तो इसमें क्या डीजल का खर्चा नहीं है, पेट्रोल का खर्चा नहीं है, हम लोग जनरेटर रखना है, वो कुछ भी नहीं है। 24 आवर्स हम लोग का करंट रहता है यहाँ पे। तो हम लोग का देखिए इस मेहनत से हम लोग का पूरा चारा ऐसा बना है।